Hi, my name is Masha and welcome to my channel. This video is about another hobby of mine, gardening. It has a strong impact on the way my nails look, but it's not going to stop me from doing what I love. And at the end of the video, I'll show you what damage it did to my nails. This isn't going to be a tutorial, but just me showing some of the plants I found and want to share my excitement for getting them in pretty pots. So if you do have any questions, put them in comments below and I'll see if I can answer them in the future video. Alright, I hope you enjoy it! Over the past couple of years, I got better at keeping plants alive, and with that newfound confidence, I bought few plants over the summer. I just usually buy plants that I visually like and that don't require bright light, because there is not a lot of light in my house. Labels usually indicate if it's a low light plant. And I bought a few new pots, but I didn't know which plants they would be for. So I had to decide who goes where, and then begin repotting. Then I've realized I didn't have enough pots. So I went another day and bought few more. This time, I took pictures of plants needed a new pot and picked exactly what I needed. I got lucky to buy them all in TJ Maxx in one trip. All was left to repot remaining plants. And turned out 3 of them fit perfectly as they were. And if you're curious how my nails look after completing the project, well, they're awful. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how I fixed them. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.